Once the design and project planning phases are complete, it is now time to turn the green building into a reality by stepping into the construction phase. All the work that was done until now will make a great contribution to the construction phase, as it will both reduce the duration of construction and the total money spent for the project. Documentation in this phase will be very important for compliance with regulatory requirements and achieving a LEED certification. Let's take a look at some of the main factors that should not be overlooked during construction. Number 1. Project teams should prevent air and water pollution by implementing an erosion and sedimentation control, or in short, an ESC plan, which also includes a stormwater pollution prevention plan to prevent erosion, sedimentation, and stormwater pollution to the water bodies, wetlands, and to the whole neighborhood. Number 2. Project teams should develop an indoor air quality management plan to protect the indoor air quality for construction workers and building occupants. Typical strategies will include protecting the HVAC system from dust during the construction phase using materials with low toxicity, ventilating the whole building before occupancy, and more. And number 3. Develop a waste management plan in order to address the storage, collection, and disposal of waste generated during the construction phase. Even if the construction is completed and both the design and construction team leave, the integrative process should continue, and in order to continue the integrative process throughout the whole lifetime of a building, the project team needs to be involved in the training and orientation of the building operations personnel, and every single information about the building should be passed on to them. For the exam purposes, it is also important to mention soft costs and hard costs. The costs during the construction phase will be classified either as soft costs or hard costs. A soft cost will cover everything needed for developing a project that does not physically contribute to the building. All the management and supervision costs, design costs, permits, and taxes can be seen as the soft costs, while all the other costs that physically contribute to the construction, such as labor costs, construction materials, and equipment costs, are all hard costs.